Rating my fidget board. First up, we have these pom-poms, some sort of glitter on them. They're very cute and satisfying, but I expected a little more, so I give this a 6 out of 10. Next up, we have a clip, and I love to play with it like this and tap it. I'm gonna give this one an 8. Third, we have a glass of beads, well, a jar of beads because it's not glass, but it's super crinkly and crispy, but the beads fall out sometimes and they could get lost, but yeah. So I'll give this a 7.5. Next, we have more beads. They're for the back of the nails and it's very satisfying. They're 9, 10, or actually 8.5. Next, we have this butterfly. It's so fun to spin it. There's also a fluffy pipe cleaner that has a super nice feeling. Love it. Looks super cute, especially from the butterfly. Also very fun to wiggle. 9, 10. Next, we have these cute seashells. Back of the nails is very satisfying, and this one is good for tapping because it's smooth. 8.6. Okay, next we have this mystery thing. I don't know what it is, but it's super fun to open and close and very satisfying to tap. 9 out of 10. Next, we have these cute hair clips. Very satisfying also. And I don't have much to say about it, so I'll just give it solid 8. Actually, no, because they're pretty boring. I'll give it a 7. Okay, now moving on to these beads where you can move from a pipe cleaner. Pipe cleaner is also really fluffy, so I'll give it a 8.4 out of 10. And this is like a rainbow chain. I like the crinkling noises. And it's like very colorful. I love it. I'll give this one 9. Next up, we have this pearl hair clip. And it's so satisfying. I love doing this. I could do this all day. 9.5 out of 10. Next, we have this scrunchie, the most satisfying one yet. Literally, gives me the chills. Love it. 10, 10. Next, we have this like chain thing. I don't know what these are either, but they're very crispy and fun to move. I'll give it a 8.5. Next up, we have these cute teal shiny beads. I expected more, but they're pretty smooth and fun to tap. So I'll give this one 6.5 out of 10. And next, we're moving on to a squishy. It's very, very fun. And sometimes when I do this, there's like popping noises. Super satisfying, 10, 10. And our last one is some golden sparkly tape. I like to do this on it. It's very cute, but a little boring. So I'll give it a solid 6. Thank you for watching this video. Please rate my fidget board down in the comments.